Buy Bitcoin with a debit card. Buying Bitcoin with a debit card is a fast and convenient way to invest in cryptocurrency. Many online exchanges allow debit card purchases, but it's essential to choose a secure and reputable platform. The process involves selecting an exchange, verifying your identity, linking your debit card, and completing the transaction. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you buy Bitcoin safely and efficiently. 1. Choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. Not all exchanges support debit card transactions, so it's important to pick a trusted platform. Look for exchanges that offer low fees, strong security, and good liquidity. Check user reviews and ensure the platform complies with financial regulations in your country. 2. Create and verify your account. Sign up, register with your email, and create a strong password. Identity verification. Most exchanges require KYC verification. You may need to submit a government-issued ID and a selfie for security purposes. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. 3. Link your debit card. Once your account is verified, go to the Payment Methods section and add your debit card details. Some platforms may require small test transactions to confirm the card's validity. Make sure your card supports international transactions if buying from a global exchange. 4. Buy Bitcoin using your debit card. Select Bitcoin BTC as the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Enter the amount you wish to spend in fiat currency or Bitcoin. Check the exchange rate and transaction fees before confirming. Complete the transaction, and Bitcoin will be added to your exchange wallet. Be aware of fees and exchange rates. Using a debit card for Bitcoin purchases often comes with higher fees than bank transfers. Fees may range from 2% to 5% depending on the exchange. Additionally, exchange rates may vary, so compare rates before completing your purchase. 6. Transfer Bitcoin to a secure wallet. Leaving Bitcoin on an exchange is not recommended for long-term storage due to potential security risks. Transfer your Bitcoin to a personal crypto wallet, such as a hardware wallet, mobile wallet, or desktop wallet for better security. 7. Ensure transaction security. Avoid public Wi-Fi when making purchases. Use exchanges with strong security measures, including encryption and two-factor authentication. Beware of scams and phishing attacks, asking for personal details or payment outside of trusted platforms. Buying Bitcoin with a debit card is a quick and easy way to enter the crypto market, but it comes with certain risks. Choosing a reliable exchange, understanding fees, and securing your Bitcoin in a personal wallet ensures a safer and more cost-effective transaction. Always double-check transaction details before proceeding to avoid unnecessary losses.